Hello everyone, welcome of you come back to my channel AnthonyleeGMC, and today in this video I would like to share with you about top 6 best daily habits that the successful people they do daily that build up their fortune and make them to have a wealthy life. So let's talk about this one. Why we need to take care about the daily habits, because if you want to build up the fortunes and if you really want to success, you need to build up the foundation. And what is the best way? This means that's make the wonderful daily habit that help you to achieve what you really want to do in your life, right? So the first habit that you need to develop if you want to be success is make your daily goals. So what it mean? It means that every single day you need to know what you will do on that day. So what is your daily goals and what you really want to achieve. For example, like me, every single day I have the top 10 things that I need to do. I will create the list and put in the priorities, what is the most important first, and then what is the second most important later on. So the list of 10 things that I need to complete on that day to make sure that the days I finish, when I finish the day, I can have a look if I can complete all the tasks as I do or I still haven't. And the best time for you to build up your daily goal setting is in the evening before you go to sleep. Like think about what are you going to do tomorrow or the first thing you do in the next morning. And the second is about be people oriented. So let's think about the business itself. It means that we do the thing that you have all the people, right? So if you have the service or you have a product that can help someone to solve their problem, it means that you can make a sale and then that you can earn the benefits and then you can have money. So it's the same thing, but you need to think about the way, what is your product, what is the service that you can help the people to solve their problem. So be people oriented, because the more people you can have, the more money you can earn. Let's think about Mark Zuckerberg. He created Facebook to have a million of people, no, a billion of people, yeah, that's true, nowadays, to connect together and to interact together. So nowadays, he become the top 10 of the richest people in the world. Also think about Jeff Bezos. The idea is he wants to do a business to have the people to deliver the products all over his country or all over the world. And nowadays, he become one of the richest men in the world, right? The more, so remember, the more people you can have, the more money you can earn. The third habit is be resource oriented. So the successful people, they will looking for result, they're not looking for the progress. So let's think, like we have nowadays, we have a lot of people that they do very well in the process to make the thing, but they cannot complete it done. So if you really want success, I mean that you put a goal and you need to complete this one. So let's see, you have a 10 steps to go to the goal. The unsuccessful people, but who maybe they're very good in doing from the step 1 to step 9, but then they quit at step 10. So this reason, that's why they're not success. Maybe in the process, you will see that the unsuccessful people, they do very well from the step 1 to step 8 or 9. But I mean that they cannot finish this. So this is the reason. So make sure you are the person who are results oriented. Because looking for results, when you set the goal and looking for a result and try all your best, do everything, make sure that you can complete your task and make sure that you can come up with the final points, come up with the result. Yeah, don't stop at the middle. And the number 4 habits is become the healthy oriented person. Because if you really want to do the business successful, you need to have a lot of energies to complete a lot of tasks. So let's think that if you don't have the good health, how can you complete all the tasks? Because, and when your business grow up, how you can control it? It's very hard. I mean and it's impossible. So if you want to have a fulfilled life and you want to build up your business successful, you need to build up your body healthy. Yeah, fine. And the number 5 habits is always tell the truth. Doesn't matter what's the price, because in the business and even in the real life, when you become the cheater for the first time, you can be the cheater for second time. And when you tell a lie and people expose this, all the reputation that you build up for a long time, maybe 1 year, 2 year, or 10 year, just after one time you tell lies, especially in business, everything will gone. So always tell the truth if you really want to success, if you want to do business well. And the final habits, but also the foundations for the success, is a self-discipline. Yeah, all the successful people know that, and all the successful people follow this reality, self-discipline. Because last thing, if you have the goal and you really want to achieve something in your life, but you don't have a self-discipline to quit from your enjoyable life, your comfort zone, and you want to have the easy life, how can you go through all the struggle to come up from the 0, go to 10, come up from the start to finish your journey, right? So self-discipline will help you to achieve everything. But it's not easy to do this one, but you can practice it. Just practice by daily making your goal and build up the good healthy life. So I mean, that's be self-disciplined. This is a 6 daily habit that I would like to share with you about the way how the successful people build up their success. And if you want to know more about the way how people can build up their success, as well as understand more about the mindset of the successful people, I recommend you just can check a book of Brian Tracy. This book called The $1,000,000 Habits. So I have get the link in my description that you guys can check it out to see this book, and you can purchase this book from that link. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully that you guys already learned something interesting and useful for you to develop your daily habits to be more successful and to be more better. Yeah, thank you, and looking for seeing you guys in the next video. I'm AnthonyleeGMC. Bye bye.